Hello, and welcome to our third installment of the Wagon Trains informational video series. I want to say congratulations to Mr. Jared Reed, who actually submitted the winning suggestion for the name of this segment. Henceforth, we will refer to it as the Wagon Train of Thought. Jared, good job, man. I liked it. It was too witty to pass up, so that's what we're calling it. That being said, we're going to do a three-part series in the next coming few weeks in reference to teeth. February is National Dental Month, so we're going to focus on teeth for a little bit. Today I'm keeping it short and sweet. I just want to talk about a few things that I'm faced with in the exam rooms on a regular basis, and that is, when do the teeth emerge, i.e. how old is this dog, and number two, how many teeth does a dog or a cat have? Keep it simple. So let's start there. So first thing, when do dogs get their permanent teeth? I'm only talking about permanents, not deciduous teeth. They will have their permanent teeth start to emerge at about 4 months old. They will typically start with the incisors here on the top center and lower about the same time. But they'll get these guys at about 4 months, the middle incisors or second incisors at about 4.5, and then the third one's closer to 5. Typically your bigger teeth on the sides and back, your canines and some of your earlier premolars will start coming in usually closer to 6 months, and then shortly after 6, maybe even flirting with 7 months, your bigger premolars and molars will actually finish filling in then. So, to summarize, start getting their permanents at about 4 months, and then all of them should be emerged by closer to 6, 7 at the latest. So that's that. Number two, how many teeth do they have? So an adult dog, if they erupt all of their permanent dentition, they should have a total of 42 teeth. It's a good bit more than you and I, but they have a total of 42. Cats, a good bit less. An adult cat is only going to have approximately 30 teeth. Not approximately, they're going to have 30 teeth if they all emerge. And the dating is just about the same on a cat as to when they erupt. So that's kind of the ins and outs, and that applies to me because I get in exam rooms and people want to know, hey, I just found this stray dog, how do I know how old he is? With those guys, again, if they're in that 4 to 7 month range, I can usually get pretty accurate as to that. And if they're before, you can get a good guess because it's just the size of the dog. Anything beyond that 7 or so month, it gets tough to know exactly. That's when you hear us say, oh, they're about, a year and a half. It's hard to get exact. So that's it, guys. That's the ins and outs on this one. Keep tuned in for the next couple of weeks. We're going to talk about preventative measures for teeth. And if you don't use preventative measures, we're going to talk about how you clean the teeth if you're already goofed up and they're full of tartar. So we'll get to those. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.